We've all seen those pergolas and pavilions at the big box stores, and they sure do look tempting. But how do they stack up against a custom-built, heavy timber structure? Today, I'm breaking down the pros and cons of each, so you can make the best choice for your backyard oasis. So who in their right mind would spend a lot of money for a custom-built pavilion when you can just go to a big box store and buy one for maybe $2,000 or $3,000? Today we're diving into exactly why would somebody spend more for a pavilion and what you need to know so you can make the right decision for yourself. Let's dive in. So there are pros and cons to each way to go. Let's look at the pros for the big box store first. The first pro, it's cost effective. At around $2,000 to $3,000, these structures are a fraction of the cost of a custom build. They offer a budget-friendly way to enhance your outdoor space. Number two is convenience. These kits come with everything you need, just follow the instructions. And number three is a fairly quick turnaround. From the time you buy until the time you use it is usually within a few days. Plan on having your friends over and taking a few days to assemble it. But for a big box structure, there are some downsides to consider. Number one is durability. These structures are often made from lighter materials, which may not withstand severe weather conditions as well as the heavy timbers do. The posts on these units are typically hollow. Number two is no customization. What you see is what you get. You're not able to customize the structure at all. Number three is longevity. Over time, these materials may wear out faster and require more frequent maintenance or replacement. And number four is the aesthetic. While some of these units look pretty good, they may lack the unique charm and craftsmanship of a custom build. Now let's talk about a custom built heavy timber structure. These are the structures that I specialize in, and it is a whole different ballgame. So what makes these custom structures stand out? Let's find out. One is the durability. Heavy timber is incredibly strong and can withstand severe weather conditions. These structures are built to last for decades. Two is customization. Every aspect of the design can be tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Size, shape, color, finish, they're all up to you. Three is aesthetics. The craftsmanship and attention to detail in custom builds create a unique and beautiful addition to your property that really stands out. And four is the value. While the upfront cost is higher, the longevity and minimal maintenance required make it a worthwhile investment. Of course, with a custom heavy timber structure, there are some considerations to keep in mind. One is cost. Custom builds are significantly more expensive than big box kits. You are paying for high quality, solid, heavy timbers. Two is the time it's going to take. While you can go to the big box store, buy it and have it assembled in a few days, the custom kit needs to be designed to your specific needs. We then 3D model the structure so you can see exactly how it will look with your house. If there's something you don't like, we will change the 3D model until you are satisfied. The structure then goes into production and then shipped out to you. The whole process can take 2 to 3 months. Number three is how much it weighs. These big timbers can be heavy. You might need to hire a few people to assemble these structures. Four would be footings. You can sometimes bolt a pergola to a strong concrete pad, but typically a solid roofed pavilion will need footings. In areas that freeze, footings need to go down to the frost line. So there you have it, a comparison to what the big box stores offer versus a custom built heavy timber structure. If you're looking for a quick, budget-friendly solution, the big box store option might be right for you. But if you want a durable, customized, and beautiful structure that will stand the test of time, a custom build is the way to go. If you are ready to take the next step in getting the backyard timber structure of your dreams, then visit timberwestdesign.com and fill out the form to schedule a free consultation with me. We can ship the custom structure to your city, and it can be installed by a local contractor. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. That way you can see more cool outdoor content and learn some new ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.